Come on, Patrick. Let's walk. Come on. Okay, come back this way. Bob. Bob, leave him alone. Come back this way. Come here, Patrick. Patrick, come on. Let's walk. Patrick. Alright, I'm going to let you out. Let's walk all the way out. Come on. Don't know if this is serious enough to call the vet, but he has a weak front leg. Doesn't seem to be bothering him too much. Hey, Bob. Hey, Bob. So we'll wait to call the vet. I can come right out my carport door, right up to where I feed them, and they're like irises. Hey, darlings. Hey, Patrick. Can I see you there? Nope. Okay. Okay. That's not a good shot, Patrick. Turn around. Bob. Leave him alone. You don't feel good. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bob.